In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your YouTube videos directly into your Google Drive, which is a great way to ensure your content is safe, backed up, and easily accessible. Let's dive right in and get started with this simple process that will take no more than 5 minutes. First, we need to head over to the Google Takeout webpage, which is your gateway to exporting data from various Google services. So, open your browser and type in takeout.google.com. This site allows you to download all kinds of data from your Google account, but today we'll be focusing on YouTube. Scroll through the list of options until you find YouTube and YouTube Music. You'll want to make sure this is checked since we're specifically looking to transfer video data. Double check to ensure you haven't skipped this section because it's easy to miss if you're scrolling too quickly. Once you've confirmed that YouTube and YouTube Music are selected, you'll need to proceed by clicking on Next Step. This brings you to a page where you configure how and where your data will be exported. On this new page, you'll see a section labeled Delivery Method, under which you'll notice it says Send Download Link via email. This is the default option, but for our purposes, we need to tweak it. Look for the option to transfer your data to your Google Drive and select it. This means that instead of just downloading the data to your local device, you're going to save it directly in the cloud, keeping it secure and easy to access from any device with an internet connection. After choosing Google Drive, look for the Add to Drive button and click it. Now, Google gives you options for your exported data. You can choose to export once, which is perfect if you only have a few videos, or don't anticipate needing this again soon. This is a great choice for a one-time backup. For those who want ongoing backups, there's an option to set up an export every 2 months for a year. It's an excellent plan if you regularly create content and want automated security for your files. Also, be aware of the file size selection. Depending on the number and size of your videos, you may want to adjust this to suit your storage needs and preferences. Choose the size that fits your needs to maximize storage efficiency. Once you've made all these selections, finally click the Create Export button. This will initiate the process, starting the transfer of your YouTube videos to your Google Drive. And there you have it. Your YouTube videos are now safely on their way to your Google Drive, securely backed up for future access. Be sure to keep an eye on your email or Google Drive for confirmation that your export is complete. Thanks for joining us today, and happy saving.